This is why you need to know about yawning. It's not just about being sleepy, it actually cools down your brain. So yawning isn't just a sign that you're tired or bored. Scientists think it's our brain's way of cooling down and staying alert. Think of it like your brain's personal air conditioner. When you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air. That rush of cool air helps lower your brain's temperature. And guess what? This can help you stay more awake and focused. Weird, right? And why is yawning so contagious? It's probably because our brains are wired to mimic others, especially in social settings. When we see someone yawn, our brain says, hey, let's do that too. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember your brain is just trying to chill out. Cool, huh? Stay curious and keep yawning.